Hey guys, Mr. Cooney here, and going to talk through lesson 13, complete subjects and complete predicates, which you guys will need to complete for Wednesday of this week. So we did simple subjects and simple predicates last time, but the simple subject is the noun or pronoun. There's a subject, the sentence, but within the whole part of the sentence, that is the complete subject, and the verb or simple predicate is the verb that is sitting there in the middle of the whole other part of the sentence, maybe other half of the sentence, if it's a pretty standard sentence, that is a complete predicate. Okay, so in other words, get myself out of the way here, most sentences have additional words that tell more about the simple subject and simple predicate. So the complete subject is made up of the simple subject and all the words that tell about it. It could be modifiers like adjectives, prepositional phrases like of the team added onto the word members and things like that. The complete predicate is made up of all the words that tell what the subject is or does. In other words, the verb, including the simple predicate, which again is the verb, such as the principal of the school invited us to a board meeting. Okay, so obviously invited is the verb, right? But then we have another complement here. We have another prepositional phrase, and all this put together is the complete predicate. Okay, that's right there. I can't highlight it. There we go. Moving on, a good way to find the complete subject and predicate in a sentence is to find the simple subject and simple predicate first, right? We can see the president is the subject of the sentence, and then one is what the president did, right? Well, of the class, that's obviously going along with the subject because it's describing the president, right? So that complete subject would be this. And then the rest of this stuff is kind of a result of the verb, won the election by a landslide. Okay, so once you found those two things, you can kind of divide the entire sentence into the complete subject and complete predicate. We know this is the subject, this is the predicate. We draw this line in between them saying we understand the complete in the complete there. So that's what we're going to do for these items here. Exercise 1, there's only one exercise. There are 40 items, so let's do 20. That'll be enough. Draw one line under the simple subject, like box. Draw 2 lines under the simple predicate. That would be found or was found since it's a verb phrase. And then figure out where that dividing line is between the two main complete parts of the sentence. And again, a lot of the time, you're going to have a prepositional phrase or something after that subject. And the simple predicate usually starts with the verb, unless there's like an adverb right before it, right? Like if on number 1 here, several photos of the fire. Let me look at a different one. How about number 3? Okay, so documentary is a subject, right? And the line's going to go there. The verb is showed, right? But if it said thoroughly showed, thoroughly is an adverb, those ly words, and that's connected to that verb more than is the subject, right? So that line will go before the word thoroughly if there's an adverb in there. Okay, so do 20 of those and have that done by Wednesday night. See you soon.